Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the tutorial how to use Gemini on your Google Chrome. So if you haven't seen this Ask Gemini on your Google Chrome, just update your Google Chrome to at least this version 1.147 blah 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 blah. Just see it on your screen, and then later on after you install the update, you could see the Ask Gemini on the top corner right corner here. And then I could ask anything on Gemini on my current page. So for instance, even I think the settings also Gemini could see it. Please find how to remove the cage. Let's see. Okay, no. This one Gemini not talking to this current page. So for instance, I will see like gold price news for this one, and then I will click Ask Gemini, and then I will click this move here, which is means that Gemini should interact to this web page. So here I will ask Gemini, please give me 10 pointers from this web page. Now you don't need to read the full article. You just open the Ask Gemini and then ask him to review or summarize the content. This make your life much easier. That really helpful for us in this era, this AI era. So that's it, this tutorial. Make sure you update your Google Chrome, and then later on the top corner here, the Ask Gemini will be shown. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.